Have you ever noticed how walking up a short flight of stairs feels a little harder than it used to? Or maybe picking up a laundry basket takes just a bit more effort than before. That slow, sneaky loss of strength, it's something nearly everyone over 60 feels, yet most simply accept it as just aging. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Aging is natural, yes, but losing your vitality, your ability to move freely, your independence, that isn't. There's a gentle, natural way to rebuild your muscles and fight back against something called sarcopenia, the gradual muscle loss that often comes with age. And the answer isn't found in fancy supplements or gym memberships. It's found right in your fruit bowl. Yes, fruits. Simple, everyday fruits that carry powerful compounds to support muscle strength, reduce inflammation, and help your body repair itself naturally. In today's video, we'll explore 5 amazing fruits that can help rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. Each one backed by science, easy to find, and safe even if you're managing diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure. And the fruit at the top of our list? It's something you probably have in your kitchen right now. But you've likely never realized how powerful it truly is. So stay with me till the end, because number 1 just might surprise you. And if you enjoy videos that help you stay strong, active, and full of life after 60, make sure to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360, where every video is created with care, hope, and science, just for you. All right. Let's begin with a fruit that's creamy, nourishing, and quietly powerful. Fruit number 1, avocado, the green guardian of your muscles. You've probably heard avocados are good for your heart. Maybe you enjoy them on toast or in a salad now and then. But what many people don't realize is that this humble green fruit can be one of your strongest allies in fighting age-related muscle loss. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, the kind that calm chronic inflammation. And inflammation, as gentle as it sounds, is actually one of the biggest enemies of strong muscles as we age. Think of it as a slow-burning fire inside your body. It doesn't always hurt right away, but it quietly damages tissues, including muscle fibers, making them harder to repair. Now here's where avocado steps in like a hero in disguise. It doesn't just reduce inflammation, it also provides potassium and magnesium, a dynamic mineral duo that supports proper muscle contraction, helps prevent cramps, and even keeps your heartbeat steady. When your muscles are fueled with these nutrients, you'll notice something small but beautiful. You'll move more smoothly, feel steadier, and those unexpected stumbles will happen less often. And then there's vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress, basically the wear and tear of everyday life. One medium avocado also delivers nearly 10 grams of fiber, keeping your digestion and blood sugar stable. A key for anyone managing diabetes or energy crashes. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed more monounsaturated fats, like those in avocados, had better mobility and lower risk of frailty. Another study discovered that lutein, a natural compound in avocados, is linked with improved muscle strength in seniors. Take the story of Clara, a bright, energetic 72-year-old with a contagious laugh. She once told me she used to wake up with leg cramps almost every night. Her daughter suggested she add half an avocado to her lunch every day. 2 weeks later, Clara noticed something amazing. The cramps disappeared, and her morning walks didn't feel like a chore anymore. Now, it's her daily ritual. A slice of avocado on toast with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a squeeze of lemon. You can enjoy avocado in so many ways. Blend it into a smoothie with spinach and almond milk, mashed on whole grain bread, or tossed into a salad. It's creamy, heart-healthy, and muscle-friendly. Proof that nature's medicine often tastes delicious. Now that we've added something smooth and soothing to your routine, let's turn to something bold, tart, and beautifully red. A fruit that soothes sore muscles and even helps you sleep better. Fruit number 2, tart cherry, nature's muscle recovery secret. You know those mornings when your legs feel stiff before your feet even touch the floor? Or those afternoons when your shoulders ache for no reason at all? That tired, heavy feeling, it's often inflammation at work again, wearing down your muscles over time. But nature, in all its wisdom, hid a quiet solution in a bright red fruit, the tart cherry. These are not the sweet cherries you snack on in summer. Tart cherries, often sold as juice or dried, are rich in compounds called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cool down inflammation and protect muscles from damage. Clinical studies have shown that athletes who drank tart cherry juice before and after intense workouts had less soreness and faster recovery. And if it can help marathon runners recover, imagine what it can do for you, someone who simply wants to move comfortably and stay active after 60. One study from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that runners who drank tart cherry juice for a week before a long-distance race reported significantly less post-run pain. Another, from Oregon Health and Science University, showed that tart cherries reduce muscle damage and inflammation, even in older adults, without side effects. But tart cherries have another superpower. They help you sleep. They're one of the few natural foods that contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A small glass of pure tart cherry juice in the evening can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And as you know, deep sleep is when your muscles rebuild and heal. My neighbor Paul, 68, used to tell me every morning felt like walking with cement in his legs. He started drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice after dinner, and within 2 weeks, the difference was remarkable. He said, "It's like I gave my body permission to heal at night." For best results, go for 100% tart cherry juice with no added sugar. Or try dried tart cherries sprinkled on oatmeal or yogurt. It's simple, safe, and powerfully effective for keeping your muscles pain-free and well-rested. Now, from the color of red cherries, let's move to the deep ruby glow of another fruit, one that boosts energy and blood flow like nothing else. Fruit number 3, pomegranate, the circulation booster. Those glistening ruby seeds of a pomegranate aren't just beautiful. They're tiny powerhouses for your muscles and your heart. If you often feel tired after simple activities, or your muscles fatigue easily, poor circulation might be part of the reason. That's where pomegranate shines. It's rich in polyphenols, especially punicalagin, which helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of muscle fatigue and aging. But what really makes pomegranate special is its ability to boost nitric oxide, a molecule that widens your blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscle fibers, helping them perform better and recover faster. In a Journal of Nutrition study, older adults who consumed pomegranate extract before physical activity showed improved endurance and less fatigue. Another study found that pomegranate reduced soreness and muscle recovery time, even in those who didn't exercise heavily. And yes, that includes simple daily activities like walking, gardening, or cooking. Pomegranate also supports mitochondrial health, which means your cells produce energy more efficiently, giving you more stamina to enjoy your day. George, a 74-year-old gardener, once shared with me that he drinks a small glass of pomegranate juice before heading outside, He said, "It feels like my muscles are happier. I don't tire as fast, and I sleep better afterward." You can enjoy pomegranate as fresh seeds, sprinkled over yogurt, tossed into salads, or blended into smoothies. Just remember, stick to pure juice or whole seeds and avoid added sugar. 4 to 6 ounces a day is plenty. Now let's move to a fruit that might surprise you, a wrinkled little gem that carries ancient wisdom for strong muscles and bones. Fruit number 4, prunes, the unsung muscle builder. Prunes, or dried plums, often get a reputation for being just for digestion. But inside those wrinkled skins hides one of nature's most potent muscle protectors. Prunes are loaded with antioxidants, like chlorogenic acid and rutin, that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, the twin causes of muscle aging. But that's just the start. Scientists have found that the polyphenols in prunes can actually stimulate muscle growth by activating a hormone called IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1, the same hormone that tells your body to build and repair muscle fibers. In lab studies, prune extracts increased muscle cell size and boosted protein synthesis, essentially turning on the body's muscle rebuilding mode. Prunes are also rich in boron, a mineral that helps your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D more effectively, all crucial for maintaining strong muscles and bones. And yes, they're famous for their fiber, which keeps your gut healthy and your blood sugar steady, both vital for steady energy and muscle function. My Aunt Helen, 76, used to laugh when I suggested she eat a few prunes each morning. "Those are for old folks," she said. But after a month of eating 5 prunes a day, she called me up. "It's like I oiled the hinges," she said. Her walks felt easier, her joints ached less, and her energy lasted longer. You can eat prunes straight from the bag, blend them into smoothies, or chop them into oatmeal. They're naturally sweet but have a low glycemic index, making them safe for people managing diabetes. Simple, delicious, and scientifically proven to help your body stay strong. Now, let's finish with a fruit that's probably sitting in your fruit bowl right now. Crisp, sweet, and more powerful than you ever imagined. Fruit number 5, apple, the everyday strength keeper. You've heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," but it might also keep muscle loss away. The secret lies in the apple's peel. That's where you'll find ursolic acid, a natural compound shown to stimulate muscle growth and reduce muscle breakdown. In a cell metabolism study, animals given ursolic acid developed more muscle mass and less fat. And early human studies show it boosts IGF-1 while lowering myostatin, the protein that tells your body to stop building muscle. Apples are also packed with quercetin, an antioxidant that supports mitochondrial health, helping your muscles produce energy more efficiently so you can stay active longer. And their soluble fiber, pectin, keeps your gut healthy, blood sugar steady, and inflammation low, all crucial for muscle health. Mr. David, 79, told me he's eaten an apple with the peel every morning for years. "Keeps me regular, keeps me moving, keeps me young," he said with a wink. And he's right. Apples hydrate you, energize you, and keep your muscles strong, especially when you eat them with the peel on. So skip the peeler, wash them well, and enjoy them whole. Slice them into oatmeal, dip them in almond butter, or simply take a crisp bite. Each one is a little act of self-care. So there you have it. 5 fruits that rebuild muscle, fight inflammation, and help reverse sarcopenia after 60. Avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prune, and apple. They're simple, familiar, and right there in your grocery store. Yet each one holds the power to strengthen your body and restore your vitality. Maybe you've noticed more stiffness in the mornings, or your legs don't feel as strong as they used to. That's okay. You're not alone. and you're not powerless. Nature has given us quiet tools to rebuild from within. You don't need a complicated plan, just small, daily choices. A slice of avocado with breakfast, a glass of tart cherry juice before bed, a handful of pomegranate seeds after lunch, a few prunes in the morning, an apple with the peel in the afternoon. Each one is a message to your body. I'm still building strength. I'm still growing. I'm still here. And you deserve to feel that way. Strong, confident, and alive. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Feel Fresh 360, where we share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay healthy and vibrant after 60. Tell us in the comments, which of these fruits do you already enjoy? Your story might just inspire someone else today. Until next time, take care of your body and your spirit. You're stronger than you think.